Hey guys!
Hi! Hi!
So, we're excited because
We got some Smooshy Mushy!
So we got Smooshy Mushy.
Yep.
They're brand new.
And we didn't call them Squishy Mushy.
Series 3 ice cream cones. The package got is actually a little smushy mushy because it got rained on. They delivered it while it was pouring and we weren't home. So it's a little wet. It's actually wet inside too. So sorry.
The contents inside, like these things should be fine.
Yeah.
So you'll be able to see.
So let's open her up and see what we got.
Yep. Okay. Here you go. Okay, so we got this. We got this.
Let's see.
Wait, so deluxe smushy ice cream, Creamery craziness. On the eve of the town's annual ice cream party, the Smooshy Mushys snuck into the local ice cream shop in search of new sweets to fill their tummies. That sounds yummy. They found themselves stuck in their favorite creamy flavors: strawberry, mint, grape, and bubblegum. Luckily, their besties are always there to help out, even if it does cause some mischief and messes. So that's okay. That's
What
cool.
is this?
And this is
It looks like
have
basket
a Smooshy Mushy ice cream party on us. Is this a gift card? Yeah.
Oh, that's so awesome!
That is awesome.
Thank you. That's
Thank
awesome.
you, Smooshy Mushy. That's awesome.
All right.
Okay, so this box looks like it's filled with a lot of goodies.
Yeah. I already see
mine.
this ice cream cone.
Whoa, whoa! Oh, what is this?
What is that?
Smooshy. Whoa, these are like they look like sauce cup things, but I don't. It might
Oh,
be,
we know you guys love sauce.
But these are Smooshy Mushy Besties.
Oh, cool.
They're called like sweeties.
I wonder if they go along with the main squishy.
Yeah,
Like
I
they're
think so. But
All right. So who's gonna open what first?
I want to open this
Ice
ice
cream
cream
like
cone.
mint. That's so cool.
I don't know how to.
That's how we have scissors.
Here, no, there's also a thing right here.
Oh, there it is.
Wait. Okay, I got it.
Here.
Thank you. Feels really nice. Okay.
Oh wow.
This cap is still not off. Oh, there we go. Okay, I got it.
You go. Okay.
Here you go. What's inside?
Whoa! Oh god.
Oh, that should have been Jesse's.
There's like this little smushy in there, and there is. That smells really good.
Wait, what does it smell like?
There's like this ice cream guy. I don't even know what he is. That's really cool.
What?
What's it
It
smell like?
smells really good. I don't know what it smells like.
I don't know what this is, but underneath this, inside here, is like a name tag. What's that? And what is that?
What's the name tag say?
It says nothing. You have to name it yourself.
Oh.
Look at, there's a small one inside. And there is, what is this?
Oh, it's a keychain.
Oh, the
It's like a keychain.
That's so cool. And then here is the list, I think.
Does it have a name for him, or do you?
It has a name. You
It does.
name it, right?
No, it has a name right
It
here.
has a name tag right there.
Is yours this one?
Yeah, it's that one. It is
Rose Rabbit.
Rose Rabbit.
Rose Rabbit.
Inside here.
Should be Sarah Sunday. So it's a Sunday, which is really awesome. I think it goes with like these they go with other like things. Like that one is
it?
Rosie Rabbit.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, that's it.
And it's squishy too.
Yeah,
And it
these are all
smells good,
squishies.
too.
There's a penguin. Peggy,
I want that
oh
penguin
my.
too.
We need to get the penguin.
So-
All right, Jesse.
Okay, so I'm gonna open up this pink one, which is probably as long as the green one.
This smells really
Here we go. Okay,
Okay, here you go.
but this cone is super satisfying. Here we go.
Satisfying.
It's a frog! It's a frog one!
What is the frog one called?
This one is the frog. Look at this one.
That's like an ice cream
Look
one.
at that one. What's his name? I don't
It's,
even know his name.
Oh, he's cute.
I don't know how to say that. It's like Faye
Look at
Froggy.
they squeeze so much.
Faye Froggy.
Faye, I think. Wait, how do you pronounce that name? Is it Faye?
F-A-Y-E.
Faye.
Yeah.
Faye
Okay.
Froggy.
Yeah.
That's really cool.
And what does it go with?
It goes with. Wait.
It's
Oh,
square.
it's like something wafer.
You have a grandma named Faye.
It's
Yeah, we do.
Wendy wafer. So it is like a really square rectangle.
Oh, this is
No,
satisfying.
okay,
This
okay,
is so
okay.
satisfying.
Is it ice cream sandwich?
It's like a wafer.
It's
Yeah,
a
with
wafer
like
ice cream
it's like
sandwich
with
thing.
like the 3 flavors.
Neapolitan.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Oh, these squishes. Oh man, this is
Smells
satisfying.
really good too.
Yeah, it smells really good actually. And now they go together. This is awesome. Like these ice creams have things that like they're the.
There's
It's
also
just
the
like the
mini
other
one
series
too.
where there's like a big one that goes to like a small one, small one. And,
What else we got?
Oh my, we got
Oh,
a lot of
yeah.
confetti. And we got
Oh, another one.
this blue one. Okay.
and a purple one. Oh my god! I hope we get the.
You guys don't want to switch?
Oh yeah, you might have to switch.
What do you think?
You have this one's a purple one. You want the
Okay,
purple
yeah,
one? Here,
purple
take
one.
that one.
You gonna switch?
Yep.
Okay.
Oh no. Okay.
It's alright, it's right.
Okay.
Okay, here.
Okay, who's gonna go first?
gonna
Well,
open.
Jade and mine as well.
Okay, Jade will
Okay,
probably.
here you go.
Who is it? This looks like, is it the penguin?
No, it's not. It's a dog. Oh,
It
it's
looks
a
like a dog.
panda, it's a dog.
It looks
Let me
like
see.
something.
Let me see the face.
Where's the list?
I think that's a dog.
Yeah, it looks like a
Oh,
dog.
he's so cute. What's
Okay,
his
this
name?
is the list. His name is. If I can open it up. Okay. His name is Kobe Corgi. So he is a dog.
Oh, it's a corgi.
In Chilla Vanilla.
What's he smell like?
It
Smell like a
smells-
dog?
No, it does not smell like
Oh.
a dog. It smells better than a dog.
I don't think you would want to
No,
switch
it smells good though.
And then where's his pal? Yeah, right here.
Now it's right here.
His pal is a ice cream sandwich. I think his name is what was it? Something Chilla Vanilla. Yeah, Chilla
Oh, awesome.
Vanilla. He's an ice cream sandwich. He looks cool. Yeah, there he is. Oh, wait, oh,
It looks like a
I wanna eat
macaron.
that. Okay, it's probably not gonna eat, but.
He's satisfying.
Oh.
Let's see. It looks like a macaron.
So we got this and things like that. This is really cool.
I like squishing these so much. They're so satisfying. These are probably one of the best squishies. Like they're just
Yeah.
they're so nice.
Very
They
well
just
made.
Come back really.
Yeah.
Yeah. They're super
Yeah.
satisfying. And then I will now open mine. There it is. I think this is
That's
the
the penguin?
penguin. I think this is the penguin. Oh god. Okay. Yeah, it's the
You
penguin.
got the. Oh, you should have not switched.
Jake knew it too. Whoa, look at him. He's
What's
so
his name?
Cool. His name, I have no idea.
Albert.
Pablo
Yeah, I don't know.
Penguin. I have no idea.
Albert.
His name is Peggy Penguin. Oh yeah, we already read that.
Peggy Penguin.
in Sunny Sunday. So there's Sarah Sunday and then there's Sunny Sunday, which is yellow, I think. So that's his cow. Oh, I just spit it. Yeah.
Here you go. Open it. I can't.
Here, you could squish it.
Smells fruity in here now.
Yeah, these smell really cool. Look at this one. Okay, this is the other Sunday guy. He's cool.
Very
He
cool.
is Sunny Sunday, and he goes with the
Or
penguin.
they're like different, like squish, like difference.
This.
Yeah, they're like this one is easier to squish, this one's a little harder to squish. It's weird.
Wait, let me feel. This one's easy. That's weird. Yeah, this one's harder to squish, and this one's easier to squish.
Different.
You know, yeah.
That's cool.
Well,
All right, what else we got?
Is there anything? Oh yeah,
There's
there's.
another
Oh yeah,
sauce.
there's these things.
Yeah,
There's another
open
sauce.
up your
Oh, yeah,
sauces.
these. Is there anything else in here? There is. There's another sauce. Look at all
We
these.
should- wait, let's open-
There's a fortune cookie. I want that one. I want it.
I'm gonna open this
There's a
one.
pineapple. Oh my god. Open it. Open it. That is satisfying looking.
It's like an Oreo.
It looks like an Oreo. It looks like one of those ice cream sandwiches that are like Oreo looking. It's oh my, there's a lot of confetti. Okay, I'm gonna put the back in there.
Let's keep the confetti in the
Yeah,
box.
so I'll open this one. This one, I think the like what they show in front are ones that you could possibly get.
Yeah, like
there's
right
a
here.
marshmallow.
That's what I got right there.
Oh, okay, please.
There's not. Oh, It's like this.
I got the pineapple. I got the pineapple. Look how cool he is. He's so cute. Oh my god. Look at him. He squishes so easily.
Okay, is that your last one?
I don't know. This one is
I think so.
Snackies.
Yeah, this is the last one.
Is this a corn dog? What is this?
It's a wiener. Cute.
Whoa. Wait, no.
That is awesome.
Yeah, he is a corn dog.
I think he's a corn dog.
It's a corn dog?
It shows up in the picture right there. He's
Oh,
on the-
awesome.
Wow. This is also cool. This is probably my favorite like scenery so far because this is super squishy. It's like there's like air. Like it's so airy. Like okay, these are awesome. Guys, like Smooshy Mushies.
So buy some.
Really
Buy some, yeah.
really
Yeah.
awesome.
These are awesome.
Yeah.
So we have a whole bunch
And
of
I
these.
like that they, I mean,
Take
it's
it all.
it's something that everyone can play with. You know, doesn't matter, boy, girl, old, young. I like to smush them. And then when your nieces come over, well, you can say goodbye to your Smooshy Mushies because they tend to disappear when the nieces disappear.
Yeah.
So
But these are awesome.
those are really awesome.
I'm definitely gonna be keeping this one super safe because I don't want this one. I don't want to lose this one. This
We
one's
have to
so
put a
awesome.
special box.
These ones
Yeah.
right here are really like.
What do you put
Well,
them
it's not that
in?
you
Look,
lose
like an
them;
Oreo
they
and then
just
a double stuff.
your nieces confiscate them.
They do. They take them and then we have to find them. Thank you so much, Smooshy Mushy, for sending us these fantastic squishies. They're super awesome.
Yeah.
And if you like this video,
Make sure to give it a big
thumbs up.
and don't forget to subscribe.
See you later. Bye.